Today I'm going to be showing you how to graph a cubic function. Our equation is -2 to the power of x plus 8. So first I would start out by figuring out what the asymptote is, which is figured out by knowing what c is right here, which is 8. So first I would plot my dotted line showing my asymptote. Then I would start actually solving the problem. So what I would normally start out with is 0 for the x, which would be -2 to the 0th power plus 8. 2 to the 0th power is 1. You multiply it by the negative, which will give you -1. Add it to 8, that is 7. So 0, 7. Next, I would do 1, 2, -2 to the first power plus 8. -2 to the first power is -2 plus 8, which is 6. So it's now that. Then I would start third one. I would do -1. So it'll be -2 to the negative first power plus 8. -2 to the negative first power would be -1/2. -1/2. So that would be -1/2 plus 8. That would be 7.5. -1, -7.5. Then I would start doing more positive numbers. I would do -2, mean +2. So -2 to the second power plus 8. That would be 4 times the negative, which would be -4 plus 8. That would be 4. 2, 4 would be there. Then I would do the opposite of that, which would be -2. -2 to the negative second plus 8. That would be -2 to the negative second would be -1/4 plus 8. That would be positive 7 3/4. Then I would start doing another positive, -2 to the third plus 8. -2 to the third power is 8 multiplied by the negative. That would be -8. -8 plus 8 equals 0. So now we're ready to start plotting the qualities of the graph. So x is equal to x as long as it's all real numbers. And then for the range, f of x is equal to f of x if f of x is less than 8. There's no lines of symmetry. There's no vertexes. The asymptote is y is equal to 8. The y-intercept is 0, 7. The x-intercept is 3, 0. And the end behavior is x goes to infinity as f of x goes to negative infinity. Hold on, let me check my math. Yes. And then as x goes to negative infinity, f of x or y goes to infinity. So now let's connect our points. Our graph will not stop, so it's continuous. And that's how you graph or solve cubic functions.